Alright, so we're going to do a couple math problems, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so I want you to do the first one.
Okay, we take 6 plus 5, that's 1, then carry the 1, then 2 plus 4, 41.
Okay, so what does this 1 up here mean?
I carried the 1 because you can't put 11 down there.
Okay, so you put the 1 up here, why?
Because you have to carry it over, because if you put 1 down here, it'd be 411.
Okay, so does this 1 up here actually mean 1?
Yeah. You're carrying the 10 over to the other side.
Okay, so that 1 is actually 10.
Yes, because you're moving it over. See, this was the 1 area, this is the 10 spot.
Okay. You want to draw an arrow to the 1 spot? Okay, and then the 10 spot?
Oh, jeez, that was a bad arrow.
Okay, so this 1 up here actually means 10, but
Yes, but
you wrote, since it's 11, you wrote the 1 down here and just put the 1 up here.
yeah,
Why not write 10 up here?
because then you'd have 13.
So it can be kind of confusing if you wrote
Yes.
10 up here. Okay. So you told me that this is the 1s and 10 spot. So I'm going to give you another problem. Let me erase all this real quick. Alright, so that should be good enough. Can you stop that for me?
Sure.
Alright, so kind of talk me through what you did.
I brought the 59 down here because it's easier to go up and down than side to side. So then I added 9 and 3, which is 12. Carried the 1 to the 10 spot. Then 4 plus 1 plus 5 is 10. You put a 0 down here. Carry the 1 to the 100 spot. Then 1 plus 1 is 2.
Okay. So, you know that this is 1, 10s, and 100s. You did a good job on that. What would happen why can't you do it like side to side? Is it just...
More difficult, and it's easier this way.
Okay, so you like to be able to see...
Yeah, like...
where it lines up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do... That was a good job. And do one more. Oh. Get my eraser out.
Okay. I took 5 times 3, which is 15. Carried the 1 over. 5 times 4 is 20. Then you gotta add 1, which is 215.
Okay, so nothing really changes. It's just multiplication. No. Okay, so you're still using the 1s and 10s place to kind of figure out where each thing goes?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do one problem. I want just one more, and then.
The first line was all zeros because 0 times anything is 0. Then you gotta cross out the 0, add a placeholder, and then you just take 1 times 5, 4 times 1, and then it's 450.
So this 0 right here is a placeholder. What does that mean?
I don't know.
So you just put a 0 down there just because?
I don't know. That's what they taught us. And so we've always done. We put that down there because, like, how do I explain it? I know why we put it down there, I just can't think why. They put it down there to, like, replace the replace the number that was here, so it's just not 45, because if you didn't put anything down here, I don't know. What do you think?
So, okay, so you did 0 times 5 and then 0 times 4, right? So you were doing what column did we call this right here?
The one.
The ones, okay. So then you went over to the tens column,
Oh,
right?
yeah, because there'd be none in the one column. There wouldn't be anything in the one column if you didn't do that.
So this 0 is actually meaning what?
1. Or, like, it's in the one spot.
So that would be like a 10, like the 10 placeholder, or the ones placeholder?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Well, you did a good job on all the problems. That's all I needed.
Ooh.
Yeah.